What's up? Welcome to my channel. My name's Jordy. If you don't know me, have you seen this look before? Yes, maybe. Sorry about it. Filming 2 videos because I can. This video is about my hair because I get a lot of hair questions, like a lot of hair questions. This video is sponsored by Function of Beauty. They make the coolest shampoo and conditioner, so let's just talk about that first. I first heard of this brand about, I think it was 2 or 3 Christmases ago. My sister was like, hey, I want this shampoo and conditioner for Christmas. Do you want this shampoo and conditioner for Christmas? And I was like, yes, I do. So we bought our own shampoo and conditioner for Christmas from each other. Do you guys do that at Christmas time? Or are we weird? If you've never heard of Function of Beauty, it's actually a customized shampoo and conditioner, which is really cool and it's very personal. I like that. Of course, it's cruelty-free. You actually fill out a questionnaire about your hair. They ask you if it's straight, wavy, curly, coily, fine, medium, coarse. They ask you about your scalp. They ask you about your hair goals, if you want more volume, if you want anti-aging, anti-frizz, if you want to fix your split ends, lengthen, straighten, just nourish the root a little bit. They ask you exactly what you want your shampoo and conditioner to do for your hair. This time around, since these are my second bottles, I already finished my first shampoo and conditioner. My first ones were blue. I had them smelling like eucalyptus. This one is called Flower to the People, the fragrance. It smells so good. And I chose pink because I like pink. And you even get your name on the bottle. It's so cute. It doesn't even have to be your name. It could say Function of anything really, but mine says Function of Jordy because I could never find my name on things growing up as a kid because it's Jordi. It's not short for Jordan, it's just Jordy. And that's not on stuff. It's not on fun cups or bookmarks or bracelets. So when I have an opportunity to have my name on something, I take it. In the last little while, I've had pink hair, purple hair, yellow hair, green hair. This is what my hair looks like after shampooing it, conditioning it, letting it air dry. I love the way that my hair looks when I use the shampoo. It gives me volume. That's one of the things that I asked for. It doesn't feel dry, and my hair is bleached to shit. I'm also going to share with you guys my favorite hair styling products. My hair routine is usually letting it air dry. I don't blow dry it that often. If I do blow dry, I always use this product. I don't know if this brand is Amica or Amica, so someone please tell me, please. This is the Bombshell Blowout Spray. It protects my hair. It gives it some extra volume. It doesn't feel like I have anything in my hair after. I know some of these products that are for heat protection, you can kind of feel a buildup on your hair, and my hair's too thin to have a buildup on it. So this is super lightweight. I love it. It's fantastic. I never really wear my hair straight like this. This is actually weird for me. Usually what I do is I wrap it around about an inch barrel curling wand, and I do it in alternating directions so I get kind of a messy wave. This is my #1 favorite styling product. I've posted about it before. I'm obsessed with it. The Amica, I'm just gonna say both, Bushwick Beach Wave Spray. It's magic. I love it so much. When I don't have product in my hair is quite soft, shiny. Sounds like good things, right? That's not how I like my hair. I like my hair to look beachy. I like it to look gritty. I like it to feel like I was at the beach. I like my hair to have some texture to it, so it gives it more body and volume and life. And this wave spray, you need like the tiniest bit, and it takes my sort of soft waves to like this magical, messy beach wave. And I love it. It's my favorite way to do my hair. It's so easy, and it just transforms sort of my like a glam looking curl into a beach curl, and it is my favorite product right now for my hair. And those are pretty much the only products that I use for styling my hair. A little bit of dry shampoo here and there. I like the Perk Up dry shampoo, same brand. It's kind of the only brand of hair product I use for styling. Another thing I want to mention on how my hair survives so much coloring is because the only hair dye brand I use is Arctic Fox. Every color that you've seen me have in my hair has been an Arctic Fox color or an Arctic Fox mix. Their hair dye is so conditioning that I look forward to dyeing my hair because my hair feels so good after I use it, and it smells like grapes. Everyone's hair is different, so the way a hair dye works for you might not be the way it works for me, but I find that Arctic Fox dyes last in my hair for a long time, but not such a long time that you're like, get this off my hair, and it's really difficult to get it off your hair. I find that it fades really beautifully into nice colors, and I do usually eventually just fade back to blonde with no staining and nothing, and my hair is still really happy. I'm gonna move back a little bit so you can actually see how long my hair is. I don't know if you can look how long my hair is. And no, I am not eating tiny teddy bears to make my hair grow. Anyways, that's my hair stuff that I use. I'm really glad that I was able to make this video and get an amazing sponsor for this video. I hope you liked my little shower clips. Seemed like a good idea, I don't know. I've got an affiliate code for Amica and Arctic Fox, so if you want to make a purchase, you can use my discount code, which means you get a chunk of money off and I get a portion of the sale. If you do use my codes, I would like to say thank you right now. It means a lot to me. And let me know if you end up trying Function of Beauty shampoo and conditioner. I think it's such a cool, fun way to get shampoo and conditioner. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.